bottle of water and few things. We are going to see which is going to sink and which is going to float. I'm going to start with the dice. It sinks. Now I'm going to put the Lego toy. It floats. I'm going to put the piece of paper. It floats too. I'm going to put this orca whale toy. It sinks. I'm going to put the cock. What? It floats. I'm going to put this leaf we plucked from my plant. It floats. I'm going to put this pebble. It sinks. I'm going to put this coin. It also sinks. Ta-da! We're done with the experiment. Do you guys know why some things float and some things sink? Everything like this cock is made out of molecules. Also, this water is made out of molecules. When the molecules were tightly packed, the density was more. If the molecules were loosely packed, then the density is less. Objects with less density floats and objects with more density sinks. Hope you guys enjoyed the experiment. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe ASquareLearners. Bye-bye.